Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Recently Dixie Plates released two new stamping plates, so I went over to Nail Stamping Queen UK, the UK and EU stockist of Dixie Plates, and I purchased the two new plates, but I also picked up another small plate as well, and I'll be breaking this haul down into three separate videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plates reverse stamping. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and for the first swatch I'll be using a yellow nail tip along with a black stamping polish. So because these images on the top are, as always with Dixie Plates, quite large, I'll be laying 2 lines of polish. This is just so I know that I can reach the bottom without using excess polish, but these bees are just so adorable though. For the next swatch I'll be using a green nail tip with a dark green stamping polish. I love these little faces, they're so cool. I like that they're all different expressions, happy, grumpy. Using these for reverse stamping coloured in with different colours will really bring these faces to life. But even without colour they still look great though. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a metallic purple stamping polish. Now I don't do reverse stamping, but I would use these images like this and turn them into decals instead, as I can do them. I personally would also pick out individual images from an image like this and just use 1 or 2. There is lots of different options for a plate like this. For the next swatch I'll be using a coral coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Once I've picked up this ice cream I will remove any excess before stamping down. Now when I've stamped him down he is missing an eye, which you could either draw on by hand, leave it be, or you could restamp again. I'm having a terrible time with white stamping polishes again, but this is a fab summer mani, great for a beach nail. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. This is the perfect image for a spring or summer mani. When filled in with colour this is going to look absolutely amazing, and even if you have smaller nails it's still going to look really pretty. You could even turn it round into different angles on the nail. It is going to be one that I definitely know I'm going to be using very soon. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Dixie Plates reverse stamping. Dixie Plates reverse stamping has so many images, it's fantastic. There is 12 very large designs at the top and then there is 33 smaller designs at the bottom. Now reverse stamping, if you're not sure on what that is, you pick the image up as normal, but then instead of stamping you fill it in with colour and you wait for it to dry. I've also seen people cover the back of it with a white polish, leaving it to almost dry and then stamping it down onto the nail. I've personally tried this and it was an epic fail, but I won't give up though, and I'll hopefully get it one day. But you could also turn these into decals as well. But as you'll see I've also put some of them over my multicoloured pop sticks, which is another way you could use these types of images. However, you could also just stamp them as normal, and no matter which way you use them they will look stunning. I love that each image has space in the design so you can clearly see each colour that you've added. Personally for me, seeing each colour clearly in the images is very important. I would probably only stamp in black when filling in with colour so the lines really stand out. Another thing I really like is that some of the large images you'll find in smaller ones on the bottom. For example, the bees, the cakes, the clouds and the owls. I definitely want to create a whole reverse stamping or decal mani very soon. I didn't do one for this video, but I just had to create what I did for the mani. It just jumped out at me from one of the swatches. It's also something that I don't do very often with manis, so I was really excited about it. I can really see reverse stamping from Dixie plates being very, very popular. I follow a lot of people on Instagram who love their reverse stamping, and they will absolutely love this plate. As I said, I will get it one day with the reverse stamping. I think it's patience, waiting for it to dry is my fail point. But I'm now really excited to try reverse stamping again and see how I go. For the mani, as I said, I took inspiration from one of the swatches. I just loved how it looked. So I created a multicoloured base using gel polish and coloured pigments. Over the thumb, index and ring finger, I went with the large floral image from the top of the plate. And then to add something a little different to this mani, on the other two nails, I took two of the smaller floral images and added them. I absolutely love how this has turned out. It's bright and bold, ready for spring and summer manis. I just absolutely love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates reverse stamping. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!